Are you looking to build your dream home, but don't quite yet have enough money to get started? Are you looking to build a home, but don't want to go through all the hassle of putting the major things in place like the utilities, septic, and well? Or are you looking for a home away from home where you can enjoy acres of wildlife and pleasures such as hunting, fishing, snowshoeing, canoeing, and kayaking, and where nothing but peace and quiet surround you? Well, opportunity is a-knockin', and it's got your name written all over it. Here are some fun facts about 31 Jordan Road in Cummington that you may not know, but need to know. Fun fact number 1, you can spend your time relaxing because all the big ticket items have been taken care of for you. 3-bedroom septic installed and ready to be used. Check. Artesian well dug and pumped, ready to be used. Check. Electricity, underground, done. Check. Land cleared and wetlands delineated. Check, check. Fun fact number 2. You can do whatever you want to do on your almost 4.5 acres of land because there are no neighbors in sight. Fun fact number 3, unlimited resource of fresh water provided by the many natural springs found around the property. Fun fact number 4, you're only 3 miles from the old creamery, a cute little grocery store with local produce and unique snacks. You can enjoy the best little secret sandwich shop in the Hilltown, Massachusetts area. Fun fact number 5, you already have a home because this 5th wheel is included. Time! Unless you want it removed, then we can do that too. 31 Jordan Road in Cummington, a nature lover's paradise, and yet you're less than 25 minutes to both Northampton and Pittsfield. Come and live life the way you want to live it. I'm Realtor Amy Kelly.
And I'm her husband, Tom.
And we're your real estate professionals. And until next time, happy house hunting.